guys, welcome back to the channel. Back at it again with your boy Mauricio, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you do like the content that I do push out for, and don't forget to do that for future Mustang content. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing the Ford Performance hood struts, so that way once we do pop up the hood, that way we don't have to be constantly using the prop rod. Alrighty guys, so before we get into installing the hood struts for the car, I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all a quick update on what we do currently have to install on the Mustang. So we still got our RTR grill right here, and then I did pick up this Coyote badge from MF Auto Design. It was only 39 bucks, but I think it will go well with the red. Let's just look at that. Yeah, I think it will look good. And then also to get this right here, it's the dash plaque, so it's black and yellow. I think that will look good with the interior. And we got this yellow caliper paint that we will eventually be using for the calipers up front and the rear. And we got the black Brembo decals for that as well. Alright, so we also have the Ford Performance hood strut. So practically what this is going to be doing for the car is going to allow the car to hit corners, and it's not going to like lose control and stuff, so it's not going to feel so sketchy when you're doing that. Also, we got this X pipe. So it did come off of my brother's car, so I just got to take off this piping right here and then clean up the clamps that he does have, so you can go ahead and get that installed. And I'm going to be doing a muffler delete with the car. We got our RTR lights. Check these out. These are gonna look pretty sick once they are on the car. What else have we got? But yeah, that's about it for now. So we're just gonna mock up the lights and the badge on the car, or not on the car, on the grill, just to get like an idea of how it's gonna look. And one thing that I did do as well, we got a new set of tires and wheels, not rims. Alrighty boys, so if you take a look at, that's how the new grill is going to look like once we do get it placed in the car. So these are just LEDs, so it's just going to glow white literally. I feel like that yellow Coyote badge is going to look good with the red. Yeah. So one more thing that I do need to buy is the lower RTR grill, because if you look at, well, let's get closer. If you look at this grill right here, it has like a honeycomb pattern. And then if we don't get the lower RTR grill, it's just gonna, so I feel like it's not gonna look well if we have the RTR up here and then we have the regular stock honeycomb grill. Apart from that, it is kind of banged up right here, because whenever I did get the car, my brother was driving it on the highway and then he hit something and it scraped up the whole plastic right there. So there's another good reason to get rid of it. So I think it's gonna look pretty sick once we do get it on the car. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. So you see, that's the new tire fit me on the car, but I'm not gonna show anything else until the next video, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to installing the hood struts. Alright boys, so let's go ahead and open the hood so we can go ahead and get to installing the hood struts. Gotta make sure I don't show y'all the new wheels yet. Place on the camera. Alrighty boys, so pretty much the hood struts is gonna be bolted up to right here, and where else? I believe right there in that hole. So one thing about my Mustang, it didn't come with the clips to hold down the battery cover, so we can just pull it out literally, so we don't have to worry about pulling out the clips. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and grab our tools and get to installing it. Alrighty, so when you do buy the Ford Performance hood struts, it does come with the brackets. It comes with a little template where you do need to drill out a hole for the battery cover. And I went ahead and pulled this. I already went ahead and got all the tools I needed in my car. Alright, then we got the hood struts back here. Alright, so I think we got everything. I just need to grab one of the drill bits so we can cut out the hole in the battery cover, and that's about it, and then we'll go ahead and get started on it. Alrighty guys, so next time what we're going to be doing, we do got this template right here, so we do need to go ahead and cut it out, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we went ahead and got the template cut out, so let's go ahead and drill out the hole that we are going to have to do on the battery cover. So what you want to do right now is grab the battery cover, line this up with the hole right here. And what we are going to be doing right now, we're going to go ahead and punch a hole right here so we kind of know where it has to be. So yeah, we went ahead and got our hole right there, so we're going to go ahead and drill it out. So we do got an electric drill, so let's go ahead and do that. And what we do want to do is get like an inch in, because then it's gonna have to go. This is gonna have to clear this bolt right here. So let's go ahead and do that right now.
Girl, you know I'm far from perfect. I won't lead you up, but tonight it's feeling perfect. It's your favorite song. I know that mood. I know that mood. Oh, dancing the mood. Dancing the mood.
We're gonna go ahead and take off this 10mm socket with our ratchet, so let's go ahead and do that. And we're gonna go ahead and install this bracket right here. So grab it and put it right here. Make sure that is tight on there. So now next thing we will do, we gotta go ahead and install this bracket right here. So we don't need a 10mm for that. So we got this right here. So to put this like that, man. Alright, so when we're installing this, you gotta make sure that this little thing right here is like facing that way, so that way you can properly tighten it down. So you kind of gotta get it in there from an angle. Alrighty, so we went ahead and got the bracket in. So it is gonna take a couple seconds or even minutes to try to get that in. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there, tighten it up. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get this installed right here. So make sure you put it right there. Alright, so that's how you get one side in. So you got this side in, so we're just gonna go ahead and go to the other side and do that other side. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this one as well. Okay, so we got the nut off, so we got our bracket on there. So gotta make sure the bracket is gonna be, yep. Yeah. just make sure that you did get the bracket on there pretty well. It's already on there pretty sturdy. So just go ahead and switch out our socket. So now here comes the hard part. We gotta try to get this in there. Alrighty guys, so we got the other bracket in, so let's go ahead and tighten it down. Also make sure when you are tightening it down, hold on to it so that way it's not gradually moving once you're tightening it down. So we got that out, so we'll place that right here. So make sure that the Ford Performance is facing outwards so that way you can get it in. When we were putting in this bracket in it the first time, I did put it in wrong, but we went ahead and fixed it. So make sure that your bracket is facing outwards, not inwards, because I did the mistake of pushing it outwards, and then I mean you're gonna pretty much break this if you don't do it right. So if you want to go ahead and get it on. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the driver's side hood strut in. So again, make sure that this bracket is facing outwards and not inwards, because I made the mistake of tightening it in first and installing the hood strut whenever it was facing inwards. So make sure you don't do the same mistake as me. I mean, you live and you learn, that's about it. But we finally got it in, so now we got the hood strut, so now we don't even need to use the prop rod at all. And most people like to take it off, not keep it on there, but I'm gonna just keep it on there just for any reassurances, just in the future if these hood struts ever do go out, but I highly doubt that they will. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for future Mustang content. And again, I did like how the hood struts did come out, so literally you can, it literally just holds the hood in place. So I mean, it's better than using the factory prop rod. So again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for future Mustang content. I did forget to say, so if you ain't stanging, you ain't banging.